What's going on, guys? So today's video is, and oftentimes the question is, can I be and get into real estate investing with no money down? And the truthful answer is technically no, you can't. Actually, you can't get in with no money. You got to have something. Now let me explain. Even if you come in with no money, there are some resources that are needed to be able to partake in this business, and that's just the nature of the game. So I'm going to tell you right now, guys, the whole no money down, yes, technically, the answer is no, but yeah, to a certain degree, no money down, that's a possibility. You can get in. If you don't put any marketing money in, you can go and put in sweat equity and sweat marketing and be able to actually go out there and generate your first deal. But guys, listen, that's not the mindset you want to have. You want to actually have skin in the game. You want to put money into your business. You want to find ways to generate quality leads, to generate good deals. And the best way to do that is to have a little bit of skin in the game. Now, I'm not saying or advocating that if you're in a position where you're not able to do it, to go out there and try to spend thousands of dollars if you're not able to do that. I didn't do that. I wasn't in that position. I didn't have that luxury. I was literally going around door knocking, door to door, absentee owners. What I would do is I would have a list of absentee owners. I would drive to their residence, the actual place that they live, knock on their door and say, hey, Mr. Homeowner, my name is Blake. Hey, listen, I know you have this property over here off of 123 Street. I was just stopping by to see if you'd be interested in selling the property for a cash offer. Hey, I can give you 40 grand for it or whatnot. And believe it or not, that worked often. It worked often, okay? And that's how I generate a lot of my deals. Then I get a little bit of money and I go put out bandit signs, and that's another way you can do it. And I made thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of cold calls by myself. I did not hire my first VA until I made thousands of cold calls by myself for over 2 years. And then I went off and I expanded the team. But listen, guys, so the answer is you cannot get in this business with no money. You got to have a little bit of something. You either got to have a car, time is a resource and time is money. So the answer is no, guys. It's going to take effort, it's going to take consistency, and it's going to take some sort of commitment on your part. Now, you can get in it with minimal money, minimal resources, but it's going to take money, it's going to take resources, it's going to take time to generate a successful business in the real estate arena. So listen, guys, click the link below. I hope you like this content. I hope you enjoy it. If you got any questions, if you have any input, please leave me some love, share, post, like, do the whole thing, guys. I'm looking forward. I'm going to have literally 1,000 videos on this YouTube here as fast as I possibly can. So I hope this is valuable for everybody watching. Go out there, have a marvelous day, crush it, take care.